Okay, we got the beginning of strumming etude number 5. So I'm gonna play all this starting at 60, counting along. Make sure you remember how to do it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4. 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 1 and 1. 2 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 and 1. Alright, and the 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Oh, I didn't change chords. Take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 4, 1, 2 and 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 1, 1, 2 and there we go. Okay, so reminders about this stuff that we talked about. I know you wrote it down, but just in case you lose what you wrote, hang on, let me change the size of this. Whew, okay. Yeah, always starting with just your regular old chord, your major, minor, diminished. So the triad there. Always doing the 1, 5, 1, 3. In this case, it'd be a flat third. So let's say we're starting with a major. 1, 3, or 1, 5, 1, 3. So to get to this 6 add 9, no 5, we got to change these top 3 notes. So the root note doesn't move. We're going to take the 5th interval and we're going to go down 1, 2 notes in key. Then we take the octave of the root note and go down 1, 2 notes in key. And then we take the 3rd interval here and we go down 1 note in key. So that note goes down 2 notes in key. That goes down 2 notes in key. That goes down 1 note in key. So go down from 10 to 7 here. That goes 10 to 7 here. This goes 9 to 7 here. So that could even be something that you practice. I just go up to the next chord. You gotta really visualize that fretboard now. So that's gonna go down here, that goes here, and that goes down 1. I don't think I did that right. No, it's there to there, and then to there. Yep. No, that's not right. What am I doing wrong here? I'm visualizing the fretboard incorrectly. That's why I went down too far. Yeah, here to that. So 12 goes to 10. 12th fret goes to 9. 10 goes to 9. There we go. And this chord, 14 goes to 10. 14 would go to 10. And 12 goes to 10. And the next chord, so then 15 goes to 12, 15 to 12, 14 goes to 12 as well. Same thing here. That was easy when I just opened it up. Down to the 2, and then 4 also down to 2. And then we did this one already, I think. Did we? Yeah, well, that's on the screen. Yeah, 5 goes down to 3. 5 goes down to 7 goes down to 3. 7 to 3, and then 5 down to 4. B diminished. 8th fret goes down to 5. 9th fret goes down to 5. 7th fret goes down to 5. So that's, what you can do if you have to figure out the chord shape again. But the other thing is to remember, like, once you have a shape, you're kind of good to go there. So like that A minor flat 6 add 9 no 5, like that's what it's always going to be. A, C, F, B. A, C, F, B. So if you need to start that on the A string, same thing. A, C, F, B. A, C, F, B. Same thing starting on the D string. A, C, F, B. Obviously the shape's going to look different because of the tuning. Because that G to B string tuning. But it's always the same. So once you got one of them, you're pretty much good to go. Then you got that D minor add 6, or D minor 6 add 9, no 5. So that's already figured out. You got your D, F, B, E. D, F, B, E. It's always going to be that. D, F, that was wrong. D, F, B, E. D, F, B, E. D, F, B, E. D, F, B, E. And then, anytime you have a chord where it's like the same kind of chord. So, like the flat 6 add 9 only happens once. That'll only be chord number 6. Minor 6 add 9, no 5. That only happens once, and that's chord number 2. But chords number 1, 4, and 5 will be just major 6 add 9, or 6 add 9. So that one's just a matter of sliding the shape around. It's like once you got that, it's the same. Whoops. Same notes there. Always stacked up the same way. So once you got one shape, whoops, what did I just do? I just did this. Oops, move that shape around. Because it's always going to be the same. 6 add 9, no 5. Happens for chords 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, and 5. 1, 4, 5. Let's see. Then you also have, you have your minor flat 6 add flat 9. Only happens once. That's chord number 3. And then, nope. And then the last one, chord number 7, would be the... Actually, this will also be a minor flat 6 add flat 9 no 5. So that actually happens twice. So chords 3 and 7. Because there's no 5 involved, it works that way. So hopefully all that helps. So yeah, any questions come up, let me know. And I will see you again in 2 weeks.